Hello there, myself Prathamesh Savant. I am from ADCET Asta under Chhatrapati Shivaji University, Kolhapur in India. So it is my video presentation for Amazon Cloud Club Captain, and I am going to present on introduction to Amazon S3. So at start, Amazon Web Service is a comprehensive evolving cloud computing platform that provided by Amazon. It offers over 200 services from data centers globally and such for as infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service, and also tools such as compute power, content delivery, and database storage on pay-as-you-go basis. Amazon S3 stands for Simple Storage Service. It is a main building block of AWS, and it is a backbone for many static and dynamic websites. So Amazon S3 is object storage that allow user to store any kind of data in bucket. Bucket is a kind of folder. It provides multiple availability zones, durability, security, and performance at very low cost, and also provide any kind of customer can store any kind of data to store and protect amount of data in use cases like static and dynamic website, data analytics, and backup and archival. Customers for use cases like data lakes, cloud native applications, and mobile apps can use this for as a industry leading scalability, data availability, security, and performance to store and protect any amount of data. Amazon S3 is object store based storage. The files are stored in buckets. The bucket is kind of folder. It can be from 0 to 5 terabytes. The S3 bucket's name should be unique globally. And when a user upload a file in S3, it receives a HTTP 200 code if the file is successfully uploaded. S3 also offers strong consistency for uploading of new objects and overwrite or delete the current object and list of operations. And it allows to keep versions in the same bucket. And also by default, all the objects in a S3 bucket is private. Traditional storage methods before cloud storage services came to existence were tape drives, CDs, DVDs, external hard disk drives, NAS storage that is network attached storage, and centralized local database that is local file server. So benefits of using Amazon S3 over traditional storing methods are it has automated backup and recovery, virtually unlimited scalability, that it can store unlimited amount of data and handle increase in workload, and as it uses pay as you go, it uses only for what you use, so it has lower cost, and also it can benefit as a traditional storing method has a limitations that it can be accessed globally. Using Amazon S3, we can access data over globally, and no overhead for managing the infrastructure. Overall infrastructure is managed by AWS. We can use Amazon S3 because it is virtually you can store data as if you want for very low cost, and you only pay for what we are using. It has high availability and high durability of 99.9% of availability and 99.99% of durability. It has automated backup and recovery as well, because automated backup versioning and replication aid reliable disaster recovery. It also is trigger directly absorb peaks in demand for storage and content distribution. Encryption, access control, and audit logs provide data security in Amazon S3, and it is integrated with seamlessly AWS services or any other third-party services. So we can use Amazon S3 in cloud native applications to store and retrieve in applications like images, videos, CSS files, HTML files in HTML bucket, and serverless application can directly leverage S3 for storage needs, while legacy app can integrate using SDKs. Another for backup the critical data from on-premise server databases, block storage volumes to S3 for long-term archival and recovery purposes. Disaster recovery, and for big data analysis, we can store huge data sets in S3 buckets and perform analytics using AWS services like EMR, Lambda, Athena, Redshift, and it using Amazon S3 enables highly scalable analytics with S3 acting as a data lake, and also for hosting the static website like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Python on S3 bucket and delivery fast contents across the globe using CloudFront CDN integration. In Amazon S3, objects like images, videos, text, its metadata ranging from kilobytes to petabytes in size is uploaded from anywhere around the globe in cloud on premise, where in S3 data is stored redundantly across multiple facilities and servers for high availability and durability. S3 also provides security for the data via access control, bucket policy, encrypting the data with features like versioning, replication, cross-region replication, data management, and based on pay for only storage amount that is used. This data can be analyzed with S3 integrating seamlessly with AWS and third-party services to gain insight from it, like artificial intelligence, machine learning. There are many top companies like McDonald's, Airbnb, Novartis, Expedia, Samsung, Facebook, Adobe, NASA, and Netflix uses Amazon S3 in various use cases and industries such as banking, healthcare, and business. Talking about Netflix, it is an entertainment platform where they all store their media streaming for media content for streaming like videos, their subtitles, images on Amazon S3, as well as NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, use Amazon S3 to archive their petabytes of satellite imagery and sensory data from its Earth science mission. Using S3's virtually unlimited and inexpensive storage, NASA is able to store their real amount of data for long time preservation and retrieve portion for analysis. So before end, let's see what we learned from it. So we saw the introduction to Amazon S3, their basics, why we can use Amazon S3, where we can use Amazon S3, and how it works. And at last, we use the learn real world example of Amazon S3.